Hello everybody, I'm Reggie Kezia, a science teacher. I'm happy to present the teaching method through my lesson. You are awesome and welcome to my science class. In my lesson, I would engage all my students throughout the lesson, and they have the hands-on experiments every time when they learn science. That's what science is meant to be. Every day we will have the agenda so that the students will know what they will do after each activity. Here comes our daily agenda. Bell ringer, anticipatory set, direct instruction, that is, I'm going to teach them, and the guided practice which they will do in groups, and independent practice that they will do individually by the end of the class. And finally, we will wrap up the lesson, which is going to be successful. Let's begin with a bell ringer. This is the first activity to get their attention, or we can review it what they have learned yesterday. Children, are you all ready? I have given the bell ringer. It's for 5 minutes. You're going to put your answer. I'm going to come around and look at your answer. Here you go. Time is up. Right, we'll move on to the next activity, which is physical and chemical changes. Last time we learned about the physical and chemical changes a little bit, and today we are going to learn about the differences between physical and chemical changes. So the essential question is, how do you differentiate physical and chemical changes? So I'm going to take you through the various process where you can learn the differences. So here is the video, and by the end of the video, you're going to answer the question, why adding vinegar to baking soda is a chemical change. Watch the video carefully and get the answer. Hope you watched it. Now the direct instruction, what I'm going to teach you through the experiment. So as you all know, the physical and chemical changes you're going to put together. The physical change, the item can be change back and forth. Here is the experiment. I have taken a little bit of food coloring and water. I'm going to add it. You see what happens? Oh, it changes color. So the changing of color is what type of change? Yes, come on, Jack. Can you tell it? Yes, you're perfect. That's a physical change. We will have some more experiment to say that is chemical change, and also every time your mom cooks, always you link it to the chemical or physical changes. When you learn this lesson, you can walk around the kitchen and see how this is taking place. Then you will have the hands-on experiments, and also you will know the real world experience. You have any questions? All right, next one, I have a spinning wheel here, and when I spin the wheel and call out your name, you're going to speak out loud, right? Okay, James, can you say it? All right, so I'm going to call one by one. If you're lucky, you're going to get your name. So we have finished with this part. Are you ready for your group activity? So our guided practice is nothing but the group activity. Here are the rules. You're going to read the rules and click the link to join your group, which is a Kahoot game. Are you ready? I'm going to give 2 minutes for you to read the rules and join the game. Here you go. I know you enjoyed it. I can view it from my side that team 2 is a winning team. Round of applause. Yes, let's all give the round of applause for team 2. The next one is the independent practice. Now it is your part to do it. Oh, that is the time to climb activity, which is a quiz. You have 5 questions. Read the questions carefully and 10 minutes will be given. You're going to join the quiz and complete the quiz. Your time starts now. Hope you have done it well. Finally, we have come to the exit ticket. So before we do the exit ticket, we are going to wrap up the lesson. So what you have learned today is difference between physical and chemical changes. Our exit ticket, you're going to put the answer in the sticky notes. Write it in the sticky note. When you go out, you're going to put it on the wall. Are you ready? So keep it ready. It is for 1 minute. Oh, you have finished for it, and we are done for today. Here, for every part of the lesson, I engage the students. So the student engagement shows how the students are interested, how they are optimistic, and how well they are open to learn the lesson.